Hey guys, welcome back towards another creative task. It's a beanie cap made out of used pajamas. Turn it inside out, cut the elastic off, cut the inner stitches as well. Now do as done. We've cut the pajama into 1 thick inch ribbons. Measure the pillow roll that needs to be equal to the circumference of the head. Here begins the main working. Start braiding till you reach the length of about 4 inches. Coil and pin it right in the center of the cap. Use 5 mm thick crochet needle to interloop by pulling one strand as shown. Braid again. When the ribbon gets over, join another ribbon using a needle and a thread. Let's continue again. All the ribbons got over, so I used 2 more pajamas and this time I shall use 2 colors to braid. 1 light pink and 2 dark pink. Well, it's your choice when you make one for yourself. Let's move on again. Oh, finally, we are done. But something is missing. Yup, the pom-pom. Make one on your own as shown. Use any 3 to 4 inch long stencil I use an audio tape case. Trim the ends. Fix the pom-pom using a needle and a thread. Cover the joints by fixing pearls on them. Hope you like this simple braiding technique which resulted in an awesome beanie cap. Zeb shall return with another creative idea soon. So keep connected and keep crafting. See you then. Bye-bye.